Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset or hard reset Vortex V22. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, in this case, factory resetting or hard resetting your Vortex V22 here is fairly easy. You can actually do this via your settings. So in this case, this actually applies for any phone that you have or as long as it's running on Android. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to access your settings. Let's go open up settings. And you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the option that says additional settings. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to look for the option that says, in this case, factory reset. So at the very bottom, you should be able to see the factory reset option. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to click on erase all data here, and you just need to confirm it. Now in this case, I don't want to reset my phone here, but if you do need to or you want to reset your phone, go ahead and click on erase all data and just follow the on-screen steps here and basically agree to all the pop-ups. Now just to give you some information here, this will delete all data that you have. So if you want to keep some photos or documents from your phone, make sure to back them up first. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.